morning. My name is Anand Nair. I'm the General Manager with the Crown Plaza Chennai Adiyar Park. Thank you for being here on this special occasion for us. We are very happy, we are very proud to be a part of Crown Celebrations, which is a launch pad. This year we are launching Crown Celebrations in association with Wedding Vows and Lux Diamonds. This is basically providing an opportunity as a platform for homegrown brands to come together and exhibit their products and to be able to promote their wares. So we have what we have done is we've renovated our entire ballroom during the time of the pandemic so that we are able to come up with a new product for our guests to experience. Be it social events, be it weddings, this hotel is very well known for its social functions as well as hosting celebrity weddings. We have also now looking at expanding into promoting these kind of events where we provide a platform for homegrown brands to be in association with us to be exhibiting the products. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you.
First of all, Sushmita, congratulations on the launch of Viana. It's an amazing collection of diamond jewelry. Romba beautifully crafted pieces and very, very nicely priced. So I'm really happy about that. Now, நான் ஒரு 3 பீஸ் பார்த்து வச்சிருக்கேன். டப்னு யாராவது பிடிக்க வாங்குறதுக்கு பதிலா முன்னாடி I have to go get it. So all the best. Really amazing collection. It's a lovely fusion of Western jewelry and Indian jewelry. So எல்லாருக்குமே கண்டிப்பா choose பண்றதுக்கு ஒரு மாடல் ஒன்று இருக்குவாங்க. So I hope you all come and buy lots and I hope Viana grows as big as your heart.
Thank you. That's so sweet. Thank you. To be a part of this launch for Renuka, who is the organizer for this entire event, and this is her first event. All the very best. I'm sure it's going to be a total success because you have it in you, you have the passion, you are so enterprising, you're always up to something interesting. So I'm sure everyone is going to love it. And also Sushmita, congratulations on your COVID baby. The collection is very beautiful, very wearable. And I was very happy to be part of the entire modeling part of it also, and also attending for the lighting of the lamp. Yes, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
To first Renu organizing this wonderful event. Actually, I'm overwhelmed with this event, and my hearty congratulations to Viana brand and Sushmita. I love the collections of this unique diamond pieces. I wish them a very all the best.
Thank you so much. So இது என்னோட first event. So I run the lash studio. So அழகுபடுத்துறது தான் என்னோட job. So இப்போ events-ஐயும் அழகுபடுத்துறது has become one of my job. And thanks to Viana and Wedding Vows for having me as a part of their launch. Thank you.
So this is Viana, Lux Diamonds. So this is Shraddha Sunamai. This is my lockdown baby. இது நாங்கள் லாக்டவுனில் தான் டெவலப் பண்ணோம். நிறைய ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் போட்டிருக்கோம், நிறையா இதை பற்றி ரிசர்ச் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். We've traveled so much. It's all just because we wanted to give you the best from around the country. So நீங்கள் எல்லோரும் வரணும், எங்களுக்கு சப்போர்ட் பண்ணணும். We will also stand up to your expectations, hopefully. So உங்களோட சப்போர்ட் எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப தேவை. நீங்கள் இல்லைன்னா நாங்கள் இன்றைக்கி இங்கே இல்லை. So thank you so much. வாங்க, எங்களோட கலெக்ஷன்ஸை பாருங்கள், எங்களுக்கு சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். Help us grow and we'll grow together. Thank you.
I saw the collections. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்குங்க. It's completely different from the usual one. I'm really happy for Susha and wishing her all the best. Hanipada.
Actually, on the event, I should thank Sushmita and Renuka. Actually, they're my good friends. Diamond ko namakku romba dooram actually, but maybe my family, wife, I might shop for this good collection, and I wish her all the best and all success. Thank you.